In this video, we'll explore how to set up time tracking in Planhat. Whether you're logging hours for tasks or workflows, or approving timesheets, Planhat makes it easy. So let's walk through how it works and how to configure it for your needs. First, let's take a quick look at how time tracking and approval work. Users can enter time spent on a specific record, like a task or workflow, as shown here. Or they can add time in bulk under timesheets in their home by selecting what they're tracking time against and adding in their hours. Once they're ready, they can submit their timesheet for approval. Managers can then review, approve, or return timesheets if edits are needed. If a timesheet is returned, users can receive a notification. Now that you understand the flow, let's see how easy it is to set all of this up. To get started, you'll need admin permissions. Head to the Settings Global tool and select the role that should have access to time tracking and timesheet submission. Under Data Level Permissions, enable Create, View, and Update for time entries, and Create for timesheets. Then, under Workflow Permissions, enable Time Tracking. If you want managers to approve timesheets or export data for billing, you'll also need to enable View, Update, and Export for both time entries and timesheets. Next, under Time Tracking Settings, you can choose which models are available for time tracking, as well as what fields appear when users submit timesheets. Once those models are added, it's time to add a time entry section to the model preview. In the Data Global tool, select the model from the list on the left. We'll use projects as an example. Under Profile, choose the default profile. If time entry needs to appear on multiple profiles, just repeat these steps for each one. Next, under Preview, click the plus sign, select Time Entries, then drag and drop it into place if needed. And that's it. Now you'll see the time entry section displayed right within the project. Back in the Data Global tool, you have two models: time entries, which are the individual time logs, and timesheets, a collection of time entries for a period. For each model, you can create custom fields and then set field rules. Field rules allow organizations to create approval flows that fit their unique processes, ensuring flexibility and control. For example, to lock fields when a timesheet is approved, click Add New Rule, name this, set type to locked, select all fields except status, then add a condition for status equal to approved. Now that we have the submission process set up, let's look at how to view and manage timesheets. As with most data in Planhat, there's multiple ways to view it, so you can choose the best solution for you and your team. We recommend a grouped list page to easily view timesheets by status. Then, as a manager, you can filter by your team or individual. Click into a timesheet to view the details and change the status, or update the statuses here in bulk. Or you can use a data table within a dashboard to show all submitted timesheets. To set this up, create a dashboard, or add this widget to an existing one. Select Timesheets for the model. Choose your column preferences. Set or remove the results limit. Then add a filter to show timesheets with the status of submitted. This can be really helpful to include in a dashboard displaying service delivery metrics like utilization, budget, capacity planning, and profitability. For more information on this, check out our videos on utilization reporting and creating dashboards in the How-To library. As you can see, Planhat makes time tracking and approval simple, giving your team the clarity, the control, and flexibility needed to stay productive and focused.